Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Google Analytics 4 account, and also I will show you how to install GA4 measurement ID on the website using Google Tag Manager. So let's get started with the video. So this is the GA4 interface. And this is a demo account of Google Merchandise Store. Using this account from my email ID, I will show you how to create a new account. So to create a new account, first you need to navigate to the admin section. So on the left hand side, you have all the elements here. So here you will find the admin section. Click on the admin section. Once you click on the admin section, you will find two columns here. The first is account and second is property. So the main to help you understand the main difference, like how to identify whether it is a GA4 or Universal Analytics. Here you can see it is written as GA4, right? And if you click on this property account, you will find one more account which is UA. So UA is nothing but the old version of Google Analytics. So if I click on this, here you will see one more column will be added. So currently we are in the GA4 account, so that is why we are only seeing two columns. But if I click on this UA, here you can see another view column has been added. So, so that is the main difference, and how you can identify whether it is a GA4 or Universal Analytics account. Right, so let's again go back to GA4. Right, now we are in the GA4 account. Now if you want to create a new account, there are two methods of doing it. Suppose if you already have a Google Analytics Universal Analytics account, then you can continue with this setup assistant. But if you want to create the account from scratch, then you can use this create account option. So currently I want to create my account from scratch, right? So click on the create account, and here you need to give any account name, right? So in this case, I am giving my name as the account name, right? Now, after giving the account name, here we have few data sharing settings. These are completely optional. It's up to you whether you can select or deselect this. So currently I am deselecting all these options, and I am clicking on next. So here you can see you have access to 100 accounts. The maximum is 100. So click on next, and in the next thing, it will ask you to set up the property. So what is the property name? So again here I am giving my name as the property name, and reporting time zone. So based on these settings, all the reportings will be mannered, right? So here I am giving my reporting time as India, right? So wherever you are located, based on that, you need to give the reporting time zone. And reporting time zone, it is correct. You don't have to change it. Again, currency, I am giving it as INR, right? So Indian rupee. Right, now after doing selecting these changes, click on show advanced. So here you can see the disclaimer. Google is letting you know that Universal Analytics, which is a previous version of Google Analytics property, will stop collecting data starting from 1st July 2023. So it is recommended to you for you to create Google Analytics for property instead, right? So this is a disclaimer which Google is giving you to create a new GA4 account, because data collection will be stopped in the Universal Analytics account. Right. Now let's move on to the next step. So in the next step, you can see the business information. So here you can select any information that you want. So here also, like I'm selecting people and society. Here you can see, you can select the business size of your company, and here also you can select whichever you think is applicable for you. So here you can see how do you intend to use Google. so the what is the purpose of using Google Analytics? So that is what Google is asking you. You can apply everything if that matters to you. So currently I'm not selecting anything. I'm directly I will directly create the account. So but for your business you can select whatever the options that are applicable for your business, right? It's completely up to you. Right? Now hit on create. Now again here also you need to select the uh, location and I accept. So right. So before clicking on accept, once again uh, go through the all the settings which we have, all the setup which you have done here, right? So once you create, before creating account, cross check all the information. So create account. Here I am selecting India and I am accepting the data processing terms here, right? And now our account is created. So here you can see the property has been created. Now in the next step, to start so to for analytics to start collect the data, you need to accept which version of from where you want to collect the data, right? So to set up data collection for your website or app, choose from where you will be collecting data. So currently, I want to collect the data from my website because I don't have mobile apps. I want data to be collected from my website, right? If you have mobile apps, you can choose any of this option. So in my case, I am choosing the web option, which is website. After clicking on website, here you can dump any website you want here, right? So for example, I'm creating a stream here, data stream here, right? So taking as example.com because this is just to show you how to create the data stream. I'm taking this as an example. So stream name I'm giving it is my name, and once you are done with this, once you have given the web stream website URL and stream name, the next set is enhance measurement. So you can see Google has automatically enabled this option because this is where this option helps you to track the page view events, clicks, scrolls, and many other measurements. So these are automatically tracked in GA4. You don't have to set up it separately, right? But you need to make sure that this option is enabled, right? So all these measurements will be automatically tracked in GA4. So here you can, if you click on settings, you can even uh, you can uh, disable this settings which you don't want Google Analytics to track. So for instance, if you don't want to track the file downloads, you can disable it. So here you can see I disabled it. So again, I'm enabling it, right? So if you don't want to track video engagements, you can disable it. So right, it's up to you whether you choose these options or not. So once you're done with the settings, so these are like default settings. You don't have to do anything here. Then click on save. Now once you're ready with this stream settings, click on create stream. Right. Now you can see we have created our data stream for our website. So this is my website and this is my stream name. So data stream is nothing but data stream helps you to collect the data from your website to Google Analytics, right? So that is why we create data streams. So if you have mobile app, you need to create a separate data stream for website and mobile app, right? So if you have mobile app and also website, you need to create two data streams. So here you can see these are my stream details, and this is my stream name, stream URL, stream ID, and measurement ID. So this is the measurement ID which we are going to use now, right? So let us copy it here. And now what is the next step? Now we have completed the first step. So we have created the GA4 account. Now the second step is to install the measurement ID on the website using Google Tag Manager. So for the data to be collected in analytics, we have to install this measurement ID to on our website. So this is my website, right? So I need to install this measurement ID on my website here, right? So let us see how that works. So I'm copying the measurement ID, and now to install the measurement ID, we have two methods here, right? So the first method is doing manually using your developer help and manually installing the measurement ID. Now the second way of using of deploying this measurement ID is using Google Tag Manager, right? So I will show you the second method, which is deploying the measurement ID, which is installing the measurement ID using Google Tag Manager, right? Now let us head over to Google Tag Manager. So I copied this. Let me close this, and now I am going to Google Tag Manager. So I have already created the Tag Manager account. So here I need to install I need to set up the tag for GA4 configuration. So to set up a new tag, click on the new option here. So once you click on the new option, new tag, you need to click on the tag configuration, and from here select the GA4 configuration, right? So after you select this GA4 configuration, uh, in this in this field you need to paste the measurement ID which you got from the GA4, right? So this measurement ID we are going to copy it and paste it here, right? Now all these settings are not required. Let them be default settings. You don't have to change anything here. And now in the triggering, so let me rename this as GA4 um, measurement ID. Or you can even paste the ID which you have selected here. Right now in the triggering option, you need to select all pages because you want Google to fire this tracking code on all the pages of the website, right? So that is why I choose this all page views option, right? So because we want to track all the pages on the website, so that is why we have chosen this all pages. Now once you are done with this tag configuration, you need to click on save. Okay, so looks like there is some problem. Let me refresh it. Right, let me create it once again. So let me rename the tag which is GA4, and let me use this page views as a triggering option. And now you can see we have created our first tag in GA4 in Google Tag Manager, right? So once this is done, you need to click on submit, and you need to go to the analytics account, and from after 24 hours your live data collection will be started here. So currently it is not showing any data, right? But after once you publish this tag, after 24 hours you will start seeing the data coming to your Google Analytics account, right? You can also go and watch it from here. So in the home tab, so you can watch the live real-time data here, right? So you can watch the real-time data which is available here. So in the report under report snapshot, you will find the real-time tab, and here you can find all the real-time data that is coming from your website, right? So this is how you can create a GA4 account